This tutorial will show you how to make a PDF version of the output or the print output file from just about any program that will use printers that are set up in an operating system. Some programs like Microsoft Word, which I have open here, the latest versions do have a way to save or to share documents as PDFs, but not all programs do. And so there's a universal solution that's free and works really well, and I'll show you how to install that and the basic principles of using it now. It's called Qt PDF, and if you go to the web page www.qtpdf.com, you'll come to this web page, and as it currently looks, look for PDF creation and look for the Qt PDF writer. Click on that link, it'll take us to the page. There's two things that we need. First of all, there's the free download of the Qt PDF writer, and then there's also a converter that you need to install. Now you can download both of these programs and have them ready to install, or you can just download the free download of Qt PDF writer, and then during the install process it will ask you if you want to download the free converter. So I'm just going to do it by clicking the free download. I'm going to save it to my computer, and I'm using Chrome, so I can just open the program by clicking on it here. Otherwise, you need to pay attention to where you've downloaded the file so you can go and run it to install it from the download location on your computer. As I click it, I'm going to ask if I want to run this file, and I'm going to say yes, and yes, and I want to install, so click next. I will accept these terms and go next. Now next I'm asked if I want to add the Ask toolbar, and they say it makes web browsing more convenient. I don't use the Ask toolbar, and so I don't want it, so I'm just going to uncheck it. Then I'm going to say accept, which allows me to move to the next step, and here's some more software that they're offering, another ad, but I don't want that either, so I'm going to go decline, which takes me to the next option, which is finally to install Qt PDF writer, and I will say yes, install it. It's going to download, install. It takes me to this page here afterwards, and I don't need that tab open. And this time it did not ask me if I wanted to install the free converter. That's probably because I've been fiddling around getting my computer ready in order to do this tutorial. So I'm just going to click on the free converter link right there, save it to my computer. Now, a curious thing about this file that I'm about to open, when I click on it, yes, I give permission to run it. I'm going to click Setup, and that's pretty much it. It just installs, and there's no window. That little flash of a black window is right there. That was the program installing, and you just have to believe that it's in there. Now, if you go to your printers now on your computer, so I'm at Start, and go to Device and Printers, you'll see now I have this printer here, Qt PDF writer. And that means everything has been installed properly, and let's give that a test right now. So let's go to this Word document that I have. I'm going to go up to File, and I'm going to go to Print. And now here I have an option in the drop-down to pick the printer that I want to print this document to. So when I click that drop-down, I see Qt PDF now installed. So I click that. Now next, I'm going to tell it to print, but of course this is not a real printer on my desk or somewhere. It's going to print it to a PDF file. So when I click print, I'm just going to have to wait a little bit while my computer churns away. This is actually a big picture, a free picture I downloaded. And here it's going to pop up a window finally and ask where do I want to save this PDF file. Now on my computer I've created a folder called Qt PDF tutorial in delete, and so that's an okay location for me. Now I will give the file a name, PDF tutorial example, and I'm going to click save. That will save that program here in that folder. As I move it over, there it is, PDF tutorial example. I click on that. It's open in a side window here. Let me move it over, And here's the PDF. Super big, of course, but I'm going to shrink it down with the zoom out button. And this is exactly my Word file, only in PDF format. And now I can send an email and share this particular PDF file in an attachment. I could put it on a website in order to make it available for people to download. Whatever reason that you need a PDF file for the file that you're working with on your computer, now by adding Qt PDF to the printers on your computer, you can output and make a PDF file, and that's free from the kind folks at qtpdf.com. I use it all the time and it works great. This is a sort of catch-all way to make PDF files from software on your computer. So I hope you enjoy that, and that makes your life easier when it comes to making PDF files to share around. Thanks for watching. If you want to give a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, like this video, that would be awesome. Leave a comment if you want. Thanks for watching this tutorial. God bless.